Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use auto clicker on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device here. Scroll down and tap on the accessibility option. Under physical and motor, you will see the option for switch control. Tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on the switches option and further tap on add new switch option. You will see the option for a screen. Tap on that and then tap on full screen. Under scanner, tap on select item option. Now go back to the switch control home page and tap on recipes and further tap on create new recipe option. You will then be asked to name your recipe, so go ahead and name your recipe. Once named, tap on the assign a new switch option and further tap on full screen. Now select the custom gesture option. Now tap or swipe to create a custom gesture, and once you are done creating your gesture, tap on the save option on the top right of your screen. Go a step back and now tap on the launch recipe option and select the recipe that we just created. And with this, your recipe is all set. Now go back to accessibility home page and scroll down and tap on the accessibility option and make sure switch control is selected. And now if you press your power button thrice, then the switch control will be enabled. And if you press your power button thrice again, then the switch control will be disabled. So that's basically how you can use auto clicker on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.